You already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, what I had back to. Red up, baby, boo, she gets a smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my little curly hair routine. A lot of people think that when I do my hair this way, that it's my natural hair curl, but I always tell people it's not, okay? It's flexi rods. My hair is so damaged, y'all. I started using flexi rods just to, like, you know, be able to wear my hair still but not put any heat on it, and I love it. I'm gonna put these curlers in my hair. I'm gonna go to bed, and then in the morning we're gonna take them out, do my hair and makeup, and we're gonna see how they come out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay guys, so I just split my hair in half. What I do is I do the top part and the bottom part, and then the bottom part I split into two, and then the top part I split into two. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, and then we're gonna speed it up so you guys don't have to rewatch me do the same method over and over again. I always use the orange flexi rods only for this curl, and I'm using the Frizz-Free Curl Mousse by Shea Moisture. I love this stuff. One problem that I had when I first started doing this was I was putting too much product on my hair so that it took my hair longer to dry. Only a little bit, y'all, just to make it wet, curl it up. That's all you need. That's all you need. We're gonna do this quick and simple. And it really doesn't matter, guys. I mean, of course you want your parts to be even, but it doesn't matter like how the part is. Like, it's gonna be curled, so no one cares. Half of this, like, I didn't know why I put two on. Put that on the hair and really focus on them ends if you got split ends like me. Now usually I do this for on wash hair, but we just gonna have to do what we gonna have to do. Wrap away. That's how I do it. I wrap away like this. Hold on, my hair is really silky right now from it being straight. I really recommend doing this on fresh, clean, blow dried hair. That's how I usually do it. And then you're gonna clamp this one down, and bam, you're done. I probably did that really fast. I'm gonna do one more for you guys. We're gonna take another one and we're gonna curl away, pull real tight, especially at that root. Okay, you want the root to be nice and smooth. Pull and wrap like this. Can you guys see that? See how I'm wrapping around tightly? Yes, good job everybody, good job. Okay, now when you get to the end, I like to have a little bit of extra mousse. Focus on the ends because you really need those to wrap. Okay, bam, and then right where your hair ends, hurry up and boop like this. And look at that, 1/4 of our head already done. So quick, so simple. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. So now that we have the back all done, we're gonna start with the top. The top I do a little bit differently. I have two bang pieces that I really like to be a certain way, so I do those first and then I can do the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna take those out real quick. So this is my bang. Ooh, not the breakage. Ooh, not the breakage. Oh y'all, the breakage go crazy. Oh no, I forgot I have my, never mind, I forgot my hair's layered. I was like, what? But no, the breakage is back. Also guys, I have hairspray in my hair from it being straight. I definitely recommend doing this on fresh washed and blow dried hair. Not straight, it doesn't have to be straight, but fresh washed and blow dried hair is going to make this hairstyle way better. I don't know how this is gonna come out anyway, honestly. I'm really hoping for the best right now. And front pieces are the ones that's gonna matter. We're gonna take our flexi rod and we're going to wrap away from our face. Just really take your time with this, guys. There's no rush to this technique, okay? Just like that. I don't even know if y'all can see what I'm doing, but I hope you can. We're gonna put a little bit of that mousse right back on the end and just secure that down. Bam. And you don't want it too tight, y'all, because this has to dry. If it's too tight, it's gonna take longer to dry. I learned that the hard way. Okay guys, so I'm done with my head. As you can see, I did 3 and 3 at the top and then 2 and 2. So total of 6, 10. For this part, I tried something different today and I did a zigzag. I never done that before, and I did the parts bigger than what I usually do just because my hair is straight. So we're gonna see. Like I said, y'all, I don't know if this is gonna come out good. I hope it does. I'm praying. We're crossing our fingers this is gonna look good. But I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the back. Hold on. But all right, I'm about to go to sleep, y'all, and I will see you guys in the morning. Love you. Hey guys, good morning. So it is the next morning. I slept with these flexi rods in my hair all night. Let me do my makeup and then we'll take down the rollers and everything. Do y'all see this makeup? Like, can we really get into the makeup? It's crazy how much makeup will just take you from a bad bitch to a badder bitch, you know? So I'm gonna start taking these down. I'm praying to God these are dry, because if they're not dry, they're going to frizz up. Ooh, look at the first curl. So good. Okay, I have faith. I have faith. Okay, we're doing good so far, y'all. The back pieces are eating. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to put it on the tips of my fingers like this, and we're gonna separate them and fluff out the hair. This is my favorite part. Separate the curls. You really want to be oh so gentle because we're fluffing. I'm gonna take my comb and I'm gonna fluff her out a little bit more, and I'll be right back. I wish it was a little bit fluffier, but that's okay. I like really big hair. This isn't too bad. It's not too shabby. Let me put my little outfit on, and then that's really gonna tell me if I like it or not. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look for the hair. I went ahead and did my lips off camera and put an outfit on. I'm about to go take pictures so y'all can't see the outfit, but I absolutely love the hair. I cannot wait for day 2 here, y'all. The curls will fall a little bit more. That's my only complaint on it. I think it did pretty darn good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys like the outcome of the hair. Comment below, and comment below any other videos you guys want me to do. I'm really happy about how this came out. Like, I'm pretty happy. Yes. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below anything you guys want me to do next. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could have been up the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could have been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could have been a bitch, the way you throw a fit. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and ice.